kí la rí gbọ́ ètò tí a fi ọ̀nà àrà gbé kalẹ̀ fún ìgbádùn ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa láti mú àwọn òṣèré jàǹkànjàǹkàn súnmọ́ yín pẹ́kípẹ́kí fún ìròyìn tó perégedé bó ṣe ń lọ lójú agbo àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Punch or skippers like Jamaican friends call me Capella like my South Africans call me the Coco Master. A cabo so to you. Killer Igbo, killer Igbo, killer Fetubo. You really don't touch the die. Never touch.
I serve Lagos. My show is July 29th in a hotel. My name is Kennedy Lagos. I need help. I need help. So after this performance, I'll come to your table, sir, for sponsorship, sir. I've only paid for a hotel car park. It remains the walkway. My paying small, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Mr. Liam Mohammed, I'll come to meet you. Yes, sir. I know you can. You're not like to meet you online, sir. Right now, sir, I'm not even wait at the fair. Whether an assurance I'm going to accolade. Because this Lagos, now I go is 2009 when I start comedy. I go on church for after school day recite. And they call me, say, Kenny Black, I want you to perform. I go with my band, and they do me to come into my band. And I come with, they give 17 of us 3K. That's full payment, not advance. You know, like, how 3K when they carry all of us reach Echigo? That's what we say, we try and reach Alaba Express. From there, we're supposed to see, when we call it Alaba, they're going to call, Echigo, 700. We say, I ain't going to 700. When we reach Soya, we'll go see 200 naira. That's what we will carry Soya. Because they say, Echigo, 700. We say, like, we will show this for Sele Express. That's what we try to preach, Sele Express. When we go reach Sele Express, they go say, Echigo, 200. We say, like, show us that. When we go reach Paco, we go see 200. Oh, we can't reach Paco, they say, Echigo, 200. We say, like, we show for when we reach Jakonde Estate. We go see Echigo. When we call it Jakonde, they call Echigo 15 naira. Because see Echigo for first. When we go enter auto, as we go reach Echigo, the money call us. We come try go back, go Alaba Express, not different. Many things still work for Nigeria, especially for Lagos. I wish say DJ Khaled na Lagosian. Imagine say DJ Khaled na conductor for Wishin. All those no, you go there too. You go have to call you with cutting. I will shout. One day shout. This boss is going straight to a shout. Feel me? Don't stop in a better. Don't stop in the ground, just straight to a shot. You can't enter the motor because they say your money. Your money, because say your money. Because they staff, you call that you're small. You know, I appreciate it. I'm gonna go now. Tobati be let me go and come back. You know we're the best. How carry but to come the marker for grandpa, they shoot the guy. What's my name? You got to DJ Khaled. What's my name? DJ Khaled. 2 days later, the guy they work out, and the guy they say, also. And the guy will say, no, another one. He goes switch, and we need to switch. Eh? There's a guy Muslim case in Nigeria. I need to find that guy. They must beat that guy. Everybody is now shaku-shakulizing. Nobody, if you want to do something, we go ring now. If you don't shaku-shaku, it don't go make sense. And they follow DJ Khaled gist for dream. I need to say, carry that. How can I come with the Nigerian market? As you have the future slim case, just future slim case in White Sauce, the remix. You and Rihanna. Say, call slim case, then they call slim case. Your slim case. What's that? No, don't shout at me. Are you doing? Are they talking that? No, we don't take that here. We don't take that here. I want you to do a song with Rihanna. Talk about no, wow. Can you do a song with Rihanna? White Sauce, the remix. Say, I'm a cop. We the producer. They know Mastercraft. All right, no problem. Ladies and gentlemen, I shot when DJ Khaled sent me this track.
We the best music. DJ Khaled. Another one.
DJ Khaled, come. You have to be small to understand what's about to happen right now. DJ Khaled, walked up the rims, then just fight, slink, and give it a go. That's how we got it, What's the song? DJ Khaled, come on now. Rihanna, something.
I don't know if you could take it. No, you want to see me make it. I don't know if you can make it. Spin it in until it's like it can make it.
come. Rihanna, open with that thing. He's out of one. Only the DJ Khaled first one will come. Keep going, buddy. Hey, Bills. Hey, your task will come. But the man must be present. Must be present. Rihanna. Osozoni. Shaku Shaku. On the pizza diet. Osozoni. He's a man. But before I go, another collaboration will make sense for this country. Now when Empire come Nigeria, what do for Lagos? Say, man, we need to do something. I'm ready, sir. I will tell you that I love you tonight. They can say we need to feature song, but they can Flavor can match with the girl. But you have to bring Mastercraft to produce that beat. They can't call Flavor. Hello, Flavor. Oh yeah, no, Flavor. They say, okay, we'd like you to do when the man, I will tell you I love you tonight with the girl. The girl voice we don't crack because say Flavor key high. I wish you could hear with this. DJ, let's go. Something like this. Yeah, the girl will. Flavor. The girl. I will tell you that I love you tonight, but I know that I've got time on my side. Where you going? Why you leaving so soon? Is there somewhere else that's better for you? What is love if you're not here, baby? What is love if it's just ups and downs? What is love if it's just ups and downs? What is love if you're not really sure? What is love if it's just ups and downs? Flavor, sing for me. Flavor will just come. Matter love food, I see more. If you make my koroboto, the rice you. Chop, if I catch you, I go chop you like carrots, you. Baby, no. Oh, you're not too much, get the shot. What is that Flavor? Without you, what is that? Without some koroboto. What is that? Without the Flavor now, but yeah. Hey! What is that? Without some koroboto. What is that? Without the ashawo. What is that? Without the Flavor now, but yeah. Oh yeah! God bless you.
Your Excellency. Oh, sir. Okay, can we give a round of applause to all the people that have performed so far? Can we give them a round of applause? Now, well done. Ross, however, when I know vex and I'm panting, but I'm not too strong. Yeah, it's no jokes, I'm sick. Yeah, I know this is the first time ever that I'm going to be actually ill to the point where I'm struggling to perform for the past 20 years. And trust me, doing this sickness, now I'm not saying, get some sickness when not just good, get some sickness when I don't want sick, like malaria. Now you get sickness, you don't get level. Malaria, they make person be like say you poor. No, because if you say you get malaria, you don't fit buy fleet. Your house don't get net. Those kind of sickness, no good. Like typhoid, useless sickness, shameless sickness. Oh, so baskets no fit buy bottled water. Now roadside, it is a job. No sickness, no good. Like the first day, 3 years ago, now I find out say I get allergy. Hell! I never happy like that for my life before. Because allergy, now for rich men. Not only poor children, you go just say, oh, he's allergic to mango. He's allergic to SIM card. He can't touch SIM card. If he touch SIM card, water will come out from his eye. these rich men children are stupid sickness that they get. Allergy now, the day when they tell me say I get allergy. For Saturday, I go Cape Town, I can't go eat shrimps. Cold shrimps. As I eat the thing, my face can't swell, mouth they itch me. I rush go to the hospital, they say, sir, I'm afraid you've got allergy, you're allergic to something. What did you eat today? I can't tell them it's cold shrimp. They say no, they need to check the temperature of the shrimp. Oh man. I say now I don't arrive. You know, say maybe you don't get allergy, you know, say you don't hammer. So that one pass. The next thing, I can't do some yeah travel recently. As I come back, my chest they pain me. High level pneumonia. But the way the guy talking, he not talking the way they talk malaria. Malaria, typhoid, all those useless sickness them. They say the hospital say, sir, you have malaria. Sir, you have typhoid. But that one, the guy says, sir, you're down with pneumonia. You're down. The English, they come with, they don't use pidgin English, they person say you get pneumonia. Because the doctor said, nah, Jebo doctor, they I left. I said, tell me, I get pneumonia. I said, are you kidding me? I happy, it means say my AC, they work. I get this, I did travel. So they tell me, I get it, and I said, well, you cannot do this, you cannot do that, you'll be losing bread, you'll be doing that. I said, okay, no problem. But then I couldn't think, because I know it was the time I went to, it was one of those, before I go to talk places where I go, people will say they feel like safe. And because you don't travel now, we don't go here. Yes, I don't travel. The time I go to Toronto, man, I'm gonna die. My fault, I may give myself visa. So I went to Toronto cold, minus 22. The cold. That's why, see my tell you the truth. All this one when they go say Nigeria, person they sleep, reach the pressure. That the weather. No way she did those cold area. So because they see which will cover duvet, they find person you go press. Or they wear jacket, winter jacket, they find who you go press. And they tell me say, I can't think I said 22. It was minus 22. The cold hugged me. I can't think, which means in Nigeria, our coldest weather than plus 22. Like yesterday was 22. You know? And people say, man, it's so cold, which means the day when Nigeria go there minus 5. Now that time we go use no say all those beggars when they marry land, so they get house. Go say my brother no go ask go sleep. I don't get time for. Man, no vex, I don't feel run up and down. But we do okay. And news type that. And some streets don't get light to you. How can you take put from out? Remember I charge my phone and they go. You get called iPhone. So, how they talk, so, so the doctor now said they're going to be giving me Rosifin. That's the antibiotics they're going to give me. They start 2 days ago, so today was my third one. With that antibiotic strong. The guy says, I read them, the thing is so strong, to the point where we say, if I, as I did like this, so the antibiotic now 3 I don't take. So the antibiotic does so much, like if I sleep with girl, we get gonorrhea, syphilis, and like 2 other STDs, I will cure them. If I don't pass you well, antibiotics they throw away from my body like this. Have you carried antibiotics? Okay. So now, no, but I don't touch mic. I will soon come. I know if you talk past this one. Man, no vex. So the last one I want to talk before I go. You know, say you don't get any kind of talk where you could talk. Oh boy, I'm not vex. I beg, guys, I'm chill. I get to catch my breath. So let me go back for the people, all the government people. I know say when I get direct number to this guy, Buhari. When I tell him, you don't fuck up. See that statement he make that kind of statement. He tell you, say they're lazy. No, I never apologize. Only use the weight. I know how they use the weight, and the only one thing, okay, tell him, the only thing if he do, bros, bros, I want to tell you something important. You want to? When you see him, bros, Mr. So, what I said, the only way that man can win this election, the only thing that man can do to win 2019 election, simple, make him legalize Igbo. That Igbo is in a party, shower. Then. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, you know, say that they talk about is gun violence and all the crap going on. The world is getting crazier every day. You know, telecommunication is kicking ass. Phones don't they cause a lot of marriages to get messed up. Women need to use IC man phone. Men don't feel lie again in peace. You know, everything just spoil. You go see those days where you say your papa go tell your master they go walk. You come back anytime when you like. Where are you coming from? Walk. Why did you come late? We had meeting. She go say, okay. No way to catch anybody. Now, lie that lie. I'm in the board meeting. Take a picture. Because see where men, some men they hotel, they find manager of hotel. Excuse me, where's your boardroom? Call your staff. We need to do a board meeting now so I can take some pictures. Thing don't spoil now. Don't spoil everything. The world don't spoil. See now people they carry gun up and down. You see America. For Yankee, you see guys they carry gun. Are you mad? Americans they can stop this thing, but they don't want to stop it because they make so much money from the business. You understand? That industry makes so much money. You understand? Billions of dollars. So they won't stop. They would rather pick the money before the lives of people. Do you understand? And it's so easy to get this thing sorted. Easy. You have all the social security numbers of all the people we don't sell guns to. You have the addresses with social security number. Retrieve the guns. Retrieve everything. And simple. Don't change the law. Don't amend anything. Just retrieve the gun. Then make it more expensive. Retrieve the gun, refund their money. Then make gun like $500K for one gun. Bullet, $50,000. Most you will kill. You get money, you buy gun of 500. Just say you don't fit buy the gun. You can't go borrow gun. You go buy bullet, I mean, and bullet na 50K. Then guess what? One bullet they keep person. So if you want to keep person, your aim must be good. If your aim is not good, you must near the person. Can't shoot her. And the only place where if you shoot her, you don't say they will kill. If you shoot her here, so you want them to say the person will come there, they wait for you. And you want to shoot me, make sure say you get here. Nobody, everybody, population go plenty. Nobody go kill anybody because it's going to be too expensive. Because you need like 3 bullets to kill fat person. Do you understand? Me now, maybe now 1 bullet or 1.5. Bullet, boom. We'll go buy gun. Go see some people they work hard just to kill one person. And you say if they use 50K, keep 1 bullet, you know that 1 bullet. If they use 150K or 200K, kill you. You deserve to die. What do you do? We go make person use $200,000, use $200,000, you kill. What do you do? Die. You crazy? He died. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's my time now. I have to go. I don't tire. Lord, since Your Excellency, I'm sorry about that joke. I'm not trying to say that the president should legalize marijuana. It's wrong. It's wrong. No, just a joke, sir. Just a joke. He just legalize only the codeine. Just.
You know, for the Lagos now, if you're not trying waiting the rain, if you park, hello.
Okay,
no, stop. Hey, I don't know about this one. Olamide, they don't play. I mean, you don't get this one. This The one with the thief phone and money. The one with the thief phone and money. Now this I mean. Wait. But see, in this Lagos, if you are even if you're a big man, you don't know how to shackle. You feel not win election alone. You must do the things that are raining. The only place in Nigeria that I know you can survive without money, only packaging, you will live long, is Lagos. In this Lagos, oh God, just as if politics not a pay again, hello. When did they pay? Politicians will travel, come off for other states. If they call Lagos, if let's say they go Europe, hello. This town is too sophisticated. You don't pass toll gates recently. You don't pass Third Mainland. You don't see all those Oyibo guys with bike. They go stop. Chest, everything, machine, clean, they shine. As they come down, the only problem is if you use Yoruba, they say kilo shell. But the packaging before, if your car stop for Third Mainland and you are alone, you know you are finished. Clap for our governor, he don't give us super force. Last year when my car stopped for Third Mainland, now only me day. Those boys, I don't know where they come out from. It's like they grow under the bridge. Before you know, boys when they come out, I feel happy. They don't do me before. So the next time I see happen, now come up for my car. Pull my shirt. Leave the motor. Start to the job. Naked, they go. Now I say, tu don't say la person container la que te do now say Cameroon la ore. Now the guy look me. Souma say la say pressure la worry la Lagos. Now the guy say calm down. Who's thief you be? I said tife la worry ya dahade.
Ladies and gentlemen, $1 million winner, contestant number 110. Applaudissements. The winner of the Bigger Comedy Challenge 2018. Please step forward, step forward. This humility will not help you. You have 2.5 million. Ladies and gentlemen, apropos, a round of applause for you.
A warm greeting from His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Lagos State, Mr. Akinwumi Ambali. And let me especially thank all the stand-up comedians that have performed here this evening. It has been a very wonderful evening. And as you can see, this is the second edition of Lagos Laugh. The first edition, the Excellency the Governor of Lagos State was here personally. We would have loved to be here this evening to join us with this assurance that this is just the beginning of new things to come as far as the entertainment industry is concerned. The government of Governor Akinwumi Ambali has shown a firm commitment to support the entertainment industry. He has started with the music industry, now is the turn of the stand-up comedian industry. And we are assuring you on his behalf that the government of Lagos State, I want to congratulate the winner of this year's edition of stand-up comedy. Yes, the Bigger Comedy Challenge. So I say congratulations to your Excellency. Thank you and God bless you.
Ni links to the fast back guy show them calm. Ẹ máa wo kí la rí gbọ́.
Jẹ́ kó mọ̀.
Kí la rí gbọ́.
Kí la rí gbọ́. Ẹ máa wo.
Ṣé ti gbọ́? Tẹ́ ẹ bá fọwọ́ kan tẹlifíṣàn yẹn má gbé kúrò. Kẹ́ yí volume ẹ̀ sókè.
Kí lẹ gbọ́? Dèrèlé ló pariwo ẹ̀yin tèmi ó yá ẹ máa gbé lọ.